Princesa City, Palawan, Oliver Eugene Kretz.
Princesa City, Palawan, Oliver Eugene Kretz. Ollie is a business administration graduate, major in financial management from Palawan State University. Ollie's dream job is to become his own boss, running a business that's all about fitness and fun, a gym and rental facilities to be exact. Misters of Pilipinas, Puerto Princesa, Palawan.